Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add Amazon gift card to Paytm. So let's get into the video. So if you want to transfer your gift card balance to Paytm, so you won't be able to directly do that, but as a workaround, what you can do instead, you can transfer your balance to your bank account, and from your bank account you can add it to your Paytm. So I'll show you how that works. So open up your Amazon. So once you're on your Amazon site here, so go to Amazon Pay, open up your Amazon Pay, and then once you get here, click on gift cards and then hit on add a gift card option here. So in this loads, simply select the add a gift card option. So hit on add a gift card, and then what you're going to do, simply plug in your gift card details here and then transfer the balance to your Amazon Pay. So once you have done that, just plug in your Amazon gift card details, add your balance. Once you have already added your balance, now you're going to go and hit on send money from Amazon Pay. So what you're going to do is click on bank transfer and then send it to your bank account. So once you have transferred your gift card balance to your bank account, now all you have to do is simply go to your Paytm, and then open up your Paytm, login, and then just go to your account and just link your bank account that you just transferred your funds to your from your Amazon gift card to your bank account. So you can just plug in, use the same bank account and then add funds, and then you are good to use on your PayPal. So in that way you'll be able to transfer the funds from your gift card balance to your Paytm. So as there's no direct ways of using a gift card on Paytm. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.